Afternoon, Shannon.
Thank you, Miss.
How are you?
I'm fine.
How was your school? How was your school?
That's good. But
That's good.
I will go to SMP. So, what do you call it?
Are you nervous?
Yeah. A little bit nervous.
How was your exam? I heard that you have your exam, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, how was it?
That's little bit easy. I can, but if math, it's hard.
I know math is always hard. Okay, thank you for telling me about your day. Now, share the screen. From vocabulary time. All right. Hi, Shannon. Today's word is about lucky. Lucky is an adjective word. To pronounce this word, we have to put our tongue in the middle of our upper lip. This is our upper teeth and our lower teeth. So we pronounce it like this. Lucky. Lucky. The meaning of this word is having good luck. And the sentence is, she was lucky enough to be chosen for the team. Have you got your sentence, Shannon?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, can you show me or can you read your sentence?
My sentence. I will read it for you.
Okay, thank you. Come on, read it.
Sharon was the most lucky girl because she can come to Jakarta to see an Hypen concert.
And Hypen concert. Lucky girl.
Yeah.
Okay.
I will not so lucky if I can go to Jakarta to see an Hypen concert.
When is the Enhypen concert?
At 17 August until 18 August.
17 August.
Yeah.
On Independence Day?
Yeah.
Oh my God. So most of the time people will have ceremony and then watching an Hypen concert.
Yeah, so I really want to come there. But I can.
It's okay. Maybe someday. Amin.
Amin.
Okay, class.
Yes.
Okay, what time is it now? It's
Circle time.
class group time. Okay, for class group time, please open your student book page 34. I will share. Wait, I will share the.
Wait.
I will share the screen first. Okay. So for class group time, remember last meeting we study about some vocabularies for you, which is danger. Okay, how many vocabulary we have?
9.
Can you read start from 1 until 9?
Fire.
One fire.
Emergency service.
Okay.
Police car. Police office. fire engine, firefighter, what? Oh,
Ambulance.
the
Oh, the
ambulance and paramedic. Is that true?
yes, it's true. All of it. Now, Shannon, if you think about fire, what comes into your mind?
Fire.
Mm-hmm. What color
It
is fire?
it's red and
Mm-hmm. And then?
if I so near to fire, I will come. What? The field is so hot.
Yes, it's hot. And then?
Fire can burn anything, I think.
Thank you for telling me the clues. That the clues, right? How about police officer?
Police officer. It means like it have many police in there and but again was officer.
That's the person, police officer.
But
Someone who is
oh
helping the people when they need
mm,
help. Okay, that's the police officer. I have provided the link for the quiz. Have you got the link?
yeah, I got it.
Okay, let me share you one more time. Let me share you one more time.
Mm-hmm.
I provide you 5 quiz. You need to guess the vocabularies. I have provided the clues. So for example, like you said before, the vocabularies fire. First one, the color is red, and then it's hot,
Oh,
and it's burn, right?
okay. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So you have to answer the name for it. Wait, okay. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I will start. You can write down your name. You can write down your name, Shannon. Wait. The pin game. Okay, there is your name. Are you ready? Are you ready to begin? Okay, so you have to answer. So you have to answer the quiz.
Mm-hmm.
So I have provided you some vocabularies, and in that quiz, there are some clues. There are some clues for that quiz. You have to answer what is that. For
Okay.
example, if it is fire, we have the clues. It's red and then it's hot and it
Can
can.
win anything.
Okay, let's continue. Okay, game. I'm cold. What is it?
Wait, it that.
Yes, correct again. Wow, you have 1,000. 1,000? 1,000,000.
Um,
Hmm. Wow. Okay. Okay, let's see. How is your rank? Oh, number 1. Congratulations. Let's see. How many answer you got correct? All of the question is correct. Thank you very much. Now I need you to recall because we have studied the vocabularies. Now I want you to answer directly.
Okay.
Okay, so I will provide the clues, of course, and you need to answer what is the vocabulary.
Oh,
Can you
okay.
show me your face?
Ah.
Okay. So, it's a car. It's a car, and there is someone who drive the car.
Okay.
And it's not ordinary car. It's driving by a police. What is it?
That police car?
Yes, thank you for telling me, police.
Car.
And then the color is red. It's hot.
Fire.
Okay, fire. Thank you. What time is it now, Shannon? It's
Time.
show
Time.
time. Okay, let's continue. Where is it? Okay, class.
Yes.
All right, please open your student book, page 35. So today we're going to study about past continuous. Have you learned about past continuous before, Shannon?
Yeah, I learned about that.
Okay, can you tell me a little bit about it? Tell me just a little bit. What is it? If it is past, then it means it's already happened.
Oh,
Yes. Past is described for something that already happened. But for this one, this tenses, because it say continuous, what's the meaning of continuous?
Continuous.
Continue.
That like repeat? What?
Yeah, it's like repeat,
Something.
correct. So means that it is already happened. The things is already happened, but it's still ongoing or in progress. So it still continue. Yeah, as you can see here, this tense used to describe action or events that were ongoing or in progress at a specific point in the past. Okay. As usual, for the structure, there are subject, and then we have to be, and we have verb, and the last one is Object.
Object.
Yes, object. How many subject we have, Shannon? Tell me.
Huh?
We have I,
You, they,
you,
he, she,
he,
he, and
it. Okay, for past continuous, we have to be. What is the to be for past continuous?
was and were. Like that?
Yes. Yes, correct. Thank you for telling me. Was is for,
I, she, he, and it.
thank you. Were is for,
You, they, and we.
okay. Was is for a singular one. And were is for plural.
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 Yeah. Now we have to put verb ing. Can you mention two verb ing that you already know?
Like singing, dancing,
Yes. Singing, dancing,
playing,
again, playing, yes.
reading, studying, reading,
Okay.
drinking, eating.
Yes. You have so many verb ing. Thank you for telling me, Shannon. Now, for example, my sentence there. I was studying. She was cooking dinner. Or they were playing football. That is the example for past continuous.
Oh, okay.
Okay, now you already know about past continuous. Can you make one sentence for past
One
continuous?
sentence. Okay.
You have to choose your subject. You have to put the to
How
be
much?
and then you can choose your verb ing,
How much? Just one?
just one. And then you can tell me. Or you want to do it directly?
No.
No, okay. Write down first.
Wait. Done.
Okay. Can you tell me what is your sentence?
She was eating meatball earlier.
Yes, she was eating
Ball.
meatball. Yeah, it's correct because she used
Was
was. And then your verb ing is
eating.
eating. All right. This is the example from your book. We have I was climbing up a tree. Gina was climbing next to me. Gina was singing. We were singing. That is the verb ing. Now, I want you to go to Kahoot ID again.
Again.
Because we have a quiz.
Okay.
Practice make perfect, Shannon. So you have to practice after you learn something.
Okay.
All right. Have you go to the link?
Wait, I will find it first.
And then for this quiz, I have to tell you, for this quiz, you have to answer does the sentence is correct or false. I have provided you the sentence, so you have to know, is this correct or not? You will answer with true or false.
Okay.
Understand?
Understand.
Okay, wait.
Okay. Done.
Okay. So there will be the sentence for past continuous. And then you have to choose if the answer is correct, the sentence is correct. So you have to choose true. If the answer is not correct, for example, if the subject she, we have to put was, right? Because it's singular.
Right. Okay. Yeah.
But if in the sentence we have the subject she, but the to be is were, So it's false. You have to
Okay.
answer false.
Okay.
Okay. Got it?
I got it.
Okay, ready?
Ready.
Okay, let's begin. Okay, you quick. So quick. Oh my God. Thank you. Let's go.
Okay.
Okay, girl. Wow. Let's continue. What is the answer? True or false? Okay. See. Okay. We was taking. Oh my God. Thank you very much. It's so quick. The birds. The birds with ass. Wow. Oh, I know you're going to laugh. I know you're going to laugh. Okay. Okay.
Oh. Ah. Ah.
Okay.
It's
Two
just
more questions. Okay. One more question.
Oh. It. Wait.
Wait.
Wait a minute. Is that she?
April is she. Can you look at the verb?
I don't look the verb.
For the verb, for past continuous, we have to use verb.
Egg.
It's not verb ing, take, it's verb one.
Oh, I see the whoa.
You only see the subject. Okay, let's see how many. Oh, one more. Yes, that's correct. Let's see. How is your result? No, number one. Yay. Wait. Let's check the answer for all of the question. This one. Number one, why you say is false, Shannon?
I think number one, I fall because I don't say the verb. I think
so you just Gina use words for to be. It's
I
correct.
see that like number 9.
Yes, like number 9. I see. But you have to look at the verb too. For past continuous, we have to use verb
ing.
Verb ing. So if we have the subject and then we have the to be, but we don't use verb ing, that's incorrect. That's wrong. Okay?
Yeah.
So the correct sentence is Gina was,
Sleeping last night.
yes. How about number 9?
It's April was taking her money in ATM.
Good. Because we have to change verb 1 to verb
Ing.
ing. Thank you for telling me. Wait, that's all, Shannon. Do you understand?
Yeah, I understand.
You sure? Can you recall my explanation about past continuous? Just make it simple. For example, we have to put the subject. For past continuous, we have to put the subject, and then we have to be, and then we have verb ing. How many to be we have for past continuous?
2.
2. What is that?
It was and was.
Was and were. Okay, now who used was and who used were?
Was it for I, she, and it? If were it for you, then we.
Take it simple that was is for singular and were is for
Plural.
Plural, correct. And for past continuous, we have to use verb
Ing.
Verb ing, correct. We cannot use verb 1, verb 2, verb 3. We have to use verb ing. Because past continuous, it's something progressing that it's already happened on the past, but it still continue until now in the future. Do you understand?
I understand.
Okay, now can you make one sentence? I challenge you to make one sentence again.
For the past continuous sentence, right?
Yes, of course.
Okay.
Finish?
Wait. Then last night. Done.
Okay, tell me what is your sentence?
You were dancing a Bite Me by Enhypen last night.
You?
You were dancing Bite Me by Enhypen last night.
You were dancing? Bite me.
Yeah.
Oh, by Enhypen.
Last night.
What? What is bite me?
You don't know this is the song.
Oh, that's the song.
You can see it in YouTube or
YouTube. Oh, thank you for the recommendation. I don't know any of Enhypen music, but I love Jay.
Who? Jake or
Jay Enhypen, sure.
Jay?
Yeah, Shannon, he is so handsome.
Miss, he is my husband. You take it from me?
Your husband.
That's okay. I have Nikki.
Yes. Thank you for telling me. Have a good day, Shannon.